Hello students, today we will study about sector of a circle and segment of the circle and the difference between the two. You can see here in the figure a circle and you can see two radius and an arc. You can see there the arc is what? The arc is AB and the two radius. So what is a sector? The part of the circular region of the plane enclosed by an arc of the circle, arc in this case is AB, and its two bounding radii is called sector of the circle. So here two radii are OA and OB and arc is AB. Now let us see this, the next figure. Again you can see if I cut that part of that OA and OB from there, we are again getting two radii, and this is also an arc, a bigger arc. So what is this called then? This is also called sector only. The bigger one is called major sector and the smaller one is called minor sector. So what is a sector? For sector, it is essential that there should be an arc bounded by two radii. So that is called a sector. Now let us see about segment of a circle. What is a segment of a circle? You can see in the figure, AB is a chord, a line segment joining the points on the circumference of the circle. So AB is a chord. So it is joining, arc is what? Arc is also AB. If you see, this circular part is the arc and you can see the line drawn there. So when we take the circular part, it's called the arc, and when we take the line part, it's called the chord. So what is a segment? A chord of a circle divides its circular region into two parts. Each part is called segment of the circle. You can see here again we have divided that part. We have taken out this part. Again we have a chord here also and an arc here also. And here also we have one chord and one arc. Now what are the smaller one? I said it is called a segment. So what is the bigger one called? That is called what? The bigger one is called major segment and the smaller one is called what? Minor segment. So if we join it, each circle can be divided into two segments, major segment and minor. The smaller one is called minor segment and the bigger one is called what? Major segment. Now the question arises that can segment and sector be one at some time? So yes, they can be same at some time. When that case arises, when the chord is the longest chord. You can see which is the longest chord. The diameter is the longest chord. So when this is there, and let us name it as A and this side as B. So OA and OB are two radius and you can see the arc there. So and the same can be AB can be a chord also and the arc there. So there is a point where segment and sector becomes the same when the line goes from what? From the center of the circle. When the diameter divides it into two parts, then only it's the case when segment and sector both coincide on each other. Thank you.